do you want?
I wondered if I could take some photographs of you.
Okay.
I won't get in your way, I promise.
Right. Lily von Lichtenfels. That's what I do. Always take your nightgown with you, because in the end of the day, you never know what you're facing. So be prepared, always. What have I still got? Rose spray, very important too. And yes, so you can spray, obviously. And can you just
Hi. It's
no, it's Frank, is it?
it's Frank, yeah.
Yes.
It's Kate, isn't it?
Yes. Yes, so where was I? This is a show about women and men.
I didn't expect to see you in a jazz club.
Why not?
Well, it just occurred to me that it wasn't your kind of thing.
Uh-huh. And the question is, can you just
Brilliant.
you're up in my face.
Sorry.
My
Really?
God.
Okay, what you have to do
You're
is
not only old, you already have got Alzheimer's or something like that. Can take photos, but keep your distance.
Look,
Okay?
I'm going to sell you these
You
really
can't-
cheaply.
You can't put the photo up in my face, okay?
Was that what I was doing? I'm sorry.
Please, you know, I'm not going to discuss
getting
this. Don't
carried
just
away.
play the fool or... So this is the distance, okay? You stuck this camera right into my face, and you didn't do that.
This one.
Leave that. Okay?
This is the distance. Okay.
Right. Right. So, where was I?
You've got a wonderful profile.
It is about women and men, you know, and it is about who submits and who... Yes, I would like to see the pictures.
Okay,
I mean the photos.
Well,
yeah.
I'll send them to you, or you can
Okay.
come round my place and we'll...
Your place.
Yeah.
I don't believe it! Just, what are you doing? Didn't I just tell you?
Just taking some photographs.
You know, I don't just really believe it. You were here, up here in my face.
It's a lovely hat.
Get out. You came into my rehearsal and stuck your camera in my face. You didn't do that here.
I was trying to make an impression.
Were you?
Yeah, really.
Why? Really, get out.
Why are you so
Get
angry?
out.
Why are you...
Whoever you are.
My name's Frank.
Okay, Frank, get the fuck out. Now, get out.
What's your
Get out.
What's your name?
Get out. Get out, please.
You dropped it again. What's the matter with you? Oh, God,
Get
you're so
out.
angry. I can't believe it.
God,
Jesus.
damn it.
God. Because I'm sure we're destined to be great friends.
You know, this is the thing about fucking men, isn't it? Yeah.
It's so good to see you again.
All right, okay.
You're looking fantastic.
Thank you. What did this bloke think he was? This old... I don't know. I'm not a wallop.
No?
No.
You gave me quite a wallop in the arts club, actually.
Anyway, I write it down to you and anyway.
All right. Okay. So nice to see you
Yes,
again.
yes.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
And that's one of them.